How to remove your PayPal account from your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to remove or delete your PayPal from your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Shopify account and then go to setting in the bottom left corner here. And then this is my settings page. So you can go ahead to the billing here, you can click on it. And as you can see, this is my upcoming bill. It's $0, and this is my payment methods. So you can click on this icon, and then you will be in the billing profile. So as you can see, this is my payment method. This is my debit card. So actually, I already did it. I already changed or removed my PayPal and then changed it to my debit card. So I just thought making it. So you can imagine this is my PayPal. So let's say this is my PayPal. So if you want to delete it or remove it, you cannot do it because there is no other payment method. So basically you have to add new payment method here. Either it's a debit card or credit card. You can just add new payment method. After you add it, there will be option to change your primary. So from the previous payment method to the new payment method, you can change it. So the new payment method will be the primary one. And after that, the secondary payment method, you can delete it. So you can just delete your PayPal. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.